My mother, though, is a woman who can shop on any budget. I seriously discovered this last Christmas where I got it from. You know, I just do it in a different space, but she's that girl. If she's got $5, she's spending $4 on making something pretty.
I just finished a panel about unforgettable spaces, and it was actually really good. I was worried about the questions, but she modified them a little bit. They were still thought-provoking. I think it was still good food for everybody that showed up. Oh my God, the people that showed up, everybody that I follow on Instagram, everybody that follows me in New York, it felt really good to see my friends out there. So I felt that much more confident, and hopefully they all got something they said they did, but now that work is done, now it's time to play. New York has been dope as per usual. Lots of people, lots of traffic, lots of energy, lots of great. Oh my God, the weather was so good. It was like 70s, but great breezes. We came, we saw, we conquered. No, actually, we paneled, we shopped, we ate. Is there anything that I didn't do that I wanted to? I wish I had a truckload of money to spend at Barney's, but that's about it. Until next time.